Did your makeup look perfect at the ceremony, and totally faded by dinner? You're not crazy. That's a thing. Bridal makeup takes heat, hugs, kisses, dancing, crying, eating, sweating, and if it's not locked in right, it's gonna slide. Here's what pros do: set every cream with powder. Use setting spray between layers, not just at the end. Let each step fully dry, no rushing. And your emergency touch-up kit? It's not optional. You need a puff, blotting paper, lip color, Q-tips, lash glue. Yes, lash glue. Just in case. When your makeup is built in thin layers and locked with spray plus powder, it holds. Through sweat. Through champagne. Through 3 hours on the dance floor. Don't trust just the initial glam. Test it. Wear it. Move in it. Cry in it. That's how you know it's wedding proof. Like this video if you've ever melted at your own event sweat droplets. Subscribe for bridal beauty that actually works, zero fluff, all fix.